Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you things that you can actually do to make money this 2025. Okay, and in the world currently, there is a high rate of inflation everywhere, all over the world, and you do not need to rely on one particular side hustle for you to be able to earn a living. Okay, you don't have to rely on your job or whatever you're doing. You have to diversify your means of income. You have to make sure you are earning from different ways so that you can be able to manage yourself well and live the life you want to live. And one thing you need to know about having side hustles, it must not be coming like in a large sum like that. But the most important thing is that you are earning from different ways. Okay, when you earn some sort of amount from this particular place, you earn another amount from this particular place. And when you sum it together, you see that you are making something reasonable. You are taking something reasonable in a month home. Okay, so and this is why you need to have different side incomes and passive incomes so that you can be able to live the life you want and also sort out your daily expenses. And sometimes you might even be solving one problem with one particular side hustle that you are doing. You can be doing some expenses with the things that you are earning from those side hustles that you are doing. So that is the reason why you need to have several side hustle, passive income where you are earning little amounts of money. So you can augment all other things that you are doing. And because I also earn from social media, I also have my side business I run, but still then I'm still making money from social media. And let me tell you what you need to do this coming 2025. You need to get yourself on the X app. Let me tell you what people don't know. X app pays a lot and it pays people from different countries. It was formerly called Twitter before it became X app. Okay, X app, I don't think it has a limitation or a country that is not approved to earn on that particular platform. One good thing about it is that you don't even need to do too much. What you need to do is just for you to be making your regular tweets. Okay, so you don't even need to do too much for you to be able to earn from this particular platform. And the good thing about writing on Twitter or posting on Twitter is that they pay you two times in a month. That is every 2 weeks, which is 2 Fridays in a month. So they pay you this Friday and another second Friday, they're going to pay you another amount. This is actually great because they are paying you two times in a month. And the good thing about it is that you don't even need a large following before you can be able to earn in this particular platform. Once you have 500 followers, you can start earning from that platform. So there are other requirements, but this is the major one that you need to get. And it is so easy. So you should get yourself on Twitter now that people are taking this opportunity to earn from the platform and it pays very well. You can earn up to $200 in a month. Okay, depends on how serious you're taking it. And if you're tweeting often, you'll be getting much more amount of money. This is the normal social media that people use for fun and people enjoy what they are doing there. But now they are paying people and people are earning a lot. I know how much I've been able to make from that particular platform. And I am not even lying when I say the payment offer is very juicy and attractive. Just do yourself the biggest favor and register there and start earning. Another platform where you can earn online on social media this 2025 that is coming is this particular platform, which is YouTube. YouTube pays a whole lot. I was watching a particular video yesterday and I was able to see someone's ads revenue on YouTube. And let me tell you for a fact, the person is making up to 1 billion naira in Nigerian currency from a particular YouTube channel. It looks too good to be true, but because I also earn from this particular platform, YouTube, this is the reason why I can confirm to you that people make so much amount of money. It might not be coming like immediately. As time goes on, you start earning a lot. So this is one of the things that you can also use to augment 9 5 or your business. You can also have more than one YouTube channel and be earning from all of them. You can also have more than two Twitter accounts and be earning from there. So not even sleep in this present age because a lot of things that are available for you to make money online are so many. And there are a lot of apps that you can be able to make money from there. Okay, there are a lot of survey app, writing app, apps that you can be performing little tasks and you'll be earning money from it. So there is no excuse for you to be I do this 2025 and not be making money. There are a lot of money on social media. What you just need is for you to invest your time and your mobile phone. And it doesn't even take your time like people think. You can also schedule when you want to do all of those things. You can schedule that, okay, this Friday I'll be on Twitter, this second Thursday I'll be posting on YouTube. Like actually control how you do all of those things and still be making your money. And let me tell you, people are cashing out so big on social media. So I don't see the reason why you should be sleeping on all of those things. I know it is not so easy for people to get on it, but if you know your onions, if you watch few videos of people teaching you how to do all of those things, you can also start doing your own and it will be very easy for you. So Rome wasn't built in a day. So that is why you have to take your time and start building your own source of income and your own source of passive income. There's a lot of money to be made online, and I don't want you to miss out on this. And this is the end of this particular video. I share tips on how you can make money online, how you can grow your YouTube channel. So there are a lot of things I share on this particular platform, and the things that works for me, I'll come back and share to you. And the apps that I earn money from, I'll also come back and share to you so that I can be a partaker of the good news. So please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel if you are just a first time visitor in this particular channel. And if you've been here, thank you, and like this particular video for me, and also drop a comment in the comment section, and I would like to see you in my next one as I bring to you more juicy offers and also a lot of good things. So see you in my next one. Good luck.